what do we have? Okay, let's see what we've got here. And oh, this looks like the invitation to Cassidy's birthday party. My kids are going to be so excited. Thank you, ASIMO.
Well, I'm an amazingly capable humanoid robot. How can I help you?
Well, let's see. My parents are coming over tonight to watch the kids, so I was thinking we could move. Actually, I was having so much fun with you, I completely forgot. But I did promise my husband that we'd call him as soon as you got here, so let's go and give him a call right now. I know he is so excited to see you. There he is, hard at work. Hi.
Hi, honey.
Hey, guess who just arrived?
ASIMO.
Yeah, if I'm in a wheelchair like my husband, then ASIMO's camera eyes are about the same level as my eyes, which makes communication very easy. You know, in fact, if you folks look at the screen, you can see ASIMO looking at me right now. Hi, ASIMO.
Hello, Sarah.
Okay, ASIMO, please turn and face our friends. All right, everyone, wave and say hello, ASIMO. Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, and you might be wondering why ASIMO isn't on wheels, treads, or something like that. It's because ASIMO was designed to help people, and in order to be a helper in our world, where you have to reach for things and pick things up, navigate along floors and sidewalks, and even climb a set of stairs, what better design than a humanoid robot, and one that has 2 arms and 2 legs. ASIMO, how tall are you?
I'm 4 feet and 3 inches tall.
Oh, well, that's the perfect size for turning lights on and off, and opening and closing doors. Let's see, working at table surfaces, and even moving things around inside of the house. And ASIMO, how much do you weigh?
I weigh 119 pounds.
That'd be in metric. Let's see, 119.
I'm 130 centimeters tall and weigh 54 kilograms.
Okay, then how fast can you walk?
I can walk about 2 miles per hour.
And in metric, that would be what?
That would be about 3 kilometers per hour.
Great job, ASIMO!
Thank you, Sarah.
So, you know, in order for a robot to operate in our world, it must have the ability to walk like a human, and walking is very complicated. You know? So, for each step I take, it requires my brain to send countless signals at lightning speed through my nervous system to the muscles we're going to move it. Okay, let's see. To the muscles, tendons, and ligaments in my legs, hips, arms, and shoulders, which all have to move in sync just for me to stay balanced. And with ASIMO, we're actually moving different parts. So, it's so funny. Oh, okay. So it's really amazing as ASIMO does something very similar, only it uses sensors, motors, and computers to maintain its balance and walk like a human. But see, ASIMO has the ability to sidestep in a straight line, or even on a curve. And I do have to tell you, that's going to make navigating my house a breeze with its constantly changing obstacles. Oh, and you know, ASIMO, that is really going to come in handy with my kids too. Now, of course, as you've already seen, ASIMO has the ability to walk forward. And what's even more incredible is that ASIMO can walk backward as well. Constantly adjusting its center of gravity with every step it takes, just like us. And ASIMO's balancing capabilities are so advanced, it's easier just to show you. So let's see. ASIMO, please balance on 1 foot. All right. Okay, it looks easy, but ASIMO must continuously analyze data from all of its sensors and its 34 separate servo motors. And yes, I can see you're having fun, although you know you can't fly yet.
But I can play soccer.
Oh, that's right. You can't play soccer. We have a soccer ball, so we can show everyone what you can do, okay? Let's see here. Now, hang on 1 second. I'm going to grab some So you know, kicking this ball requires some technically advanced balance, stability, and coordination. Wow, ASIMO. Let's see. With your ability to understand voice commands and move effortlessly through your environment, well, it's easy to see how valuable you're going to be helping me out around the house. That's the phone. I got it. Hey, kids.
Hey, is ASIMO there?
Oh, yeah, right here.
Hello.
That is so cool.
I know, kids. Yes, I know. You're a celebrity around here. My kids were talking about ASIMO's DVD, Step to Safety with ASIMO. Using ASIMO's unique walking ability, it teaches young children safe ways to cross the street. And plus, today ASIMO is helpful in so many different ways. In fact, ASIMO, could you use your wireless networking capabilities, go online, and get me tonight's weather forecast?
Yes, I will go online.
Great. My husband and I are going out tonight for our anniversary, so...
Partly cloudy with a high in the
Hey,
mid-60s.
good to know. I'll make sure I bring a sweater tonight then. And even though ASIMO's current role is to be a helper in the home, someday ASIMO may also do work that's dangerous for humans, like fighting fires or working in unhealthy environments by cleaning up toxic spills.
But I'm not only designed to help, I can also have fun.
Hey, I think I know exactly what you're talking about. So let's see, everyone, would you like to see ASIMO dance? Yeah? Oh, good. Okay, all right. Well, let's see. ASIMO, I think they're all ready. So, hey, why don't you hit it? Precision. It's the culmination of over 2 decades of research and development. And to perform this feat, ASIMO stops momentarily at the foot of the stairs and then adjusts its position by reading a mark on the floor with a sensor that's located in its torso. ASIMO, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right then, go for it. Now each step, ASIMO must adapt and constantly counterbalance using all its sensors, computing powers to remain upright, adjusting all along the way. See that? Only is a historic step forward in human technological progress. Oh, and ASIMO, so if you could take a quick peek into that room on your right. Let's see. Definitely ready for mom and dad. Thank you, ASIMO.
You're welcome.
So, if you thought the way up was hard, it takes even more balance and precision to make it back down. ASIMO, hey, we're ready whenever you are. So, once ASIMO detects the right position by reading the mark on the floor and using that sensor, well, that's when it descends the stairs, continuously adjusting as necessary all the way down. Great job. There is nothing that can top that. So
Excuse me.
yes.
I can even run.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Well, why don't you go get ready then? And it looks like we have enough room, so this is great. It's something I've heard about, but haven't had a chance to see in person yet. But ASIMO can actually run, and looks like ASIMO's warming up, which is definitely something we all should do before physical activities. I know I don't want to get a cramp or pull a servo motor. Yeah. So when ASIMO runs, both of its feet will leave the ground, if only for a moment, but this highest speed. Nearly 4 miles an hour, 6 kilometers an hour. And it looks like ASIMO's all warmed up. So ASIMO, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay then, on your mark, get set, go! We can see it in slow motion. Check this out. ASIMO, that is an astonishing feat. You are actually airborne, which means your feet leave the ground for about 0.08 seconds. And you know what? That is very similar to running humans. Very impressive, ASIMO.
Thank you, Sarah.
You know, if you folks would like to learn more about ASIMO, just check out the website. It's asimo.honda.com. And as for you, I think we better get you ready to meet the rest of the family, okay?
Excuse me.
Yes?
Please do not forget to order the pizza